If you've identified with having an avoidant attachment style, transitioning to a more secure one takes time and effort. By gradually opening up, communicating openly about personal space needs, and acknowledging preferences without blaming others, you can help loved ones meet your needs and expectations. Practicing logical thinking to challenge avoidant tendencies, journaling to track progress and understand cycles of behavior, and working on empathy to better understand others' needs can also help you grapple with your avoidant patterns and confront them in a healthy way. Working to express affection in various ways can be useful in improving your attachment style as well. Surrounding yourself with securely attached individuals can also serve as a model for healthy relationships and aid in overcoming avoidant tendencies. Ultimately, with dedication and self-reflection, you can develop more secure and fulfilling relationships.